tablespoons cooking oil. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 250-gram boneless chicken. Cook on low flame for 4 minutes. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup finely chopped carrot. A ½ cup capsicum. 3 cups finely chopped cabbage. Cook on high flame until water dries out. One cup spring onion. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons chili sauce. Cook on high flame until water dries out. Two boiled eggs chopped. Mix well. Set aside. Apply slurry. Medium hot oil. Cook on low to medium flame until crispy.